Hi all. Welcome to Digital Tourist Guide. Utah is a beautiful state with many stunning natural attractions and unique cultural sites. Here are some places you might consider visiting. Zion National Park. This park is known for its breathtaking scenery, including massive red sandstone cliffs, narrow canyons, and beautiful waterfalls. Bryce Canyon National Park. Bryce Canyon is known for its unique geological structures, called hoodoos, which are tall, thin spires of rock. Capitol Reef National Park. This park features beautiful canyons, rock formations, and orchards that were once tended by early Mormon settlers. Great Salt Lake. The Great Salt Lake is the largest saltwater lake in the Western Hemisphere, and it offers beautiful views and unique wildlife. Temple Square. Located in downtown Salt Lake City, Temple Square is the headquarters of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints and features beautiful gardens, historic buildings, and cultural exhibits. Natural History Museum of Utah. This museum is located in Salt Lake City and features exhibits on the natural history and geology of Utah and the surrounding region. Park City. Park City is a charming mountain town that offers world-class skiing, beautiful hiking trails, and a vibrant arts and culture scene. Monument Valley. Located on the border of Utah and Arizona, Monument Valley is a stunning desert landscape that features towering rock formations and beautiful sunsets. Utah is also known for its skiing, with several world-renowned ski resorts located in the state. Do like and subscribe.